We here, baby, downtown Houston. You know, I can officially say that I made it. Like, I can literally say that I've made it because 6, 7 years ago, after years and years and years of trying to get my first deal, I finally get my first deal and I make $2,500 on that deal. That deal and just the energy I got from that deal propelled me to quit my job. Like, just quit my job with no safety net, no nothing, just quit my job and pursue real estate full time. I mean, it was the boldest move I've ever made in my entire life. And I genuinely thank God because He allowed me to make that mistake. Because 6 years later, I am living in the dream city that I've always wanted to live at. I'm making 6 figures a year. Actually, this year I already crossed 6 figures. I got my dream car. I'm making money from home. Like, I just sit at home on my computer and I make deals over the phone, closing deals, just making money. You know, money just hitting my bank account. Wires, a title company is telling me, yo, we just closed on this deal. You know, them sending me just wires into my account. I mean, and I've seen crazy amounts. I mean, we're talking about 6 figure wires. Like, just that alone, one, shows me how much I'm capable of, and two, makes me realize that, like, yo, the dreams that I was having while I was in my mom's basement, just dreaming about it, just praying to God, like, please give me a chance. You know, please, begging every single day, working hard every single day to no result for 2 years with no results, breaking down, going broke. For 2 years I was doing that. I got my first deal finally, and then everything changed. Everything changed. It's incredible, man. Like, it makes me realize that dreams can actually come true if you really work hard to do it. Because, I mean, who else is willing to work two years to really make the dreams come true? I just coached one of my friends and he got his first deal in the first month. I'm like, bro, like, dude, do you realize how lucky you are? I dreamt of having somebody like me in my corner when I was just starting, because that just fast forward everything. He got his first deal in 1 month. It took me 2 years to get my first deal. Is there animosity there? Of course not. Of course not. That's the whole point. Because when you start winning, and it's not by luck, this isn't gambling that I'm doing here. This is skills that I've built over years and years and years. When you realize that that's the power, I mean, dude, like, if you're blessed to succeed, and on the way that I will succeed, dude, I was looking at my notebook and I was reading those years ago, and I'm like, yo, I'm living this lifestyle. I am legit living this right now. I mean, I cried a little bit. I ain't gonna lie. I cried a little bit because I was legit living exactly what I wrote down 6 years ago. Isn't that incredible? Like, I don't know what it is. Maybe like the power of writing things down is actually real, or because you write it down, it becomes like a tangible thing that, like, but just being able to look back and like realize, like, yo, you know, what I said I was going to do and what I had set for myself to do, I actually did it. And that's what makes me realize I'm that nigga. I'm that nigga, bro. How many people you know? And I'm not even trying to brag, but I mean, cause I'm not making like millions of dollars yet, okay? But technically, 6 figures already this year puts me top 10% of earners in the entire world. In the entire world. And it's so crazy because, like, the only difference is 20K. Like, if you're making 80K, like, it's easy to make 80K. I can just go get a sales job and make 80K a year. But the thing is that I won't have any freedom. The worries, I'll be worry free. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like, anybody who has a sales job and is making 6 figures, like, dude, you're worry free, bro. Entrepreneurship is worrisome. You're going to be stressed. Where the fuck, where am I gonna get? Like, I just got paid yesterday. I made 9K on the deal that I spent 1K to make. I just got paid yesterday, 9K in the bank account, wired. Title company just didn't even tell me to wire the money. They just sent the money in. I'm like, oh, wow. I woke up, like, I yawned, I checked my bank account. I'm like, oh, cool. Yes, you're gonna be stressed out, right? But you're gonna have freedom. You're gonna have freedom to be able to do what you want to do, like, you know. And on top of that, I got paid yesterday, right? But now that I got paid, I have to now like worry about my next deal. Like, fuck, where's the next deal gonna come? Like, if I don't have anything lined up, I'm like, oh man, where's the next money gonna come? Because it's up to me ultimately. It's not like I'm not like employed by somebody. They're not giving me a job or a guaranteed salary. If I don't make money next month, it's because I didn't go to work. It's because I didn't go crazy. But let me check my chain out. Dude, when you have a dream of trying to do something that you want to do, one, never let people tell you that you can't do it. You have to figure out on your own what you aren't capable of, right? And that's exactly what the real estate thing, like, I don't know why, I just felt very, very like, it's also because I think the main reason is I had no choice. I didn't go to college. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm a college dropout. So like there's no plan B. There was no plan B. If I went to college, I would have been like, yeah, okay, I'm gonna go get like a finance job, you know. I'm gonna get because I will get a finance degree, something like that. And I'll still be set no matter what, right? But this is no plan B. I took the route that there's no plan B. Even if I fail next month, the month after, bro, like I can't just, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'll be done. I'll have to figure out something because, like, hey, I don't have a college education. So that's why like entrepreneurship is just forced on me because, like, I have to make it out by any means necessary. The only way is entrepreneurship. Like, if you don't want to go to college, the best route is just entrepreneurship. It's going to be hard, but I guarantee you it's going to be the best thing you've ever done because just the development of it all brings a lot of character, a lot of growth in every single area. It's just a great alternative to a college education, in my opinion. So, yeah, bro, in my new spot, I'm about to actually go get some dinner tonight with some fine feet to celebrate me closing the new deal. By the way I got this deal was SMS. It's interesting. I've looked through my data of how, like, where's most of my deals coming from. 60 grand this year came from SMS. The other came from cold calling and some direct mail. Isn't that crazy? 60 grand came from SMS. That's insane. So I'm doubling down on SMS and you know, adding direct mail a little bit. I love direct mail because direct mail, like, the leads just come in there hot. Like this deal that I'm closing in 2 weeks, he called me and he wanted to sell his property. So I said, okay, cool. But then he calls me the next day, say, oh, I moved on to somebody else because they offered me more. And I'm like, yeah, I'm not gonna be able to make it work at that price. And so 30 days later, the other dude couldn't perform. So he calls me back. He's like, yeah, okay, let's do it. And I'm like, you should have done it with me in the first place, baby. Let's go. So, you know, he signed the deal with me, and I sold it. You know, that deal is like a 5K profit. So, but it's already more than what I've invested in direct mail for that campaign, because I got 2 deals out of that one campaign. One was 5K, the other one was 10K. This one was 5K, the other one was 10K. So I already made that money back. So it's like, I like the direct mail because it's inbound and they already are ready to go. Like, they're like, yes. And it was the same case with land. This was a house deal, by the way. It was the same case with a land deal. Every landowner that called me was ready to sell. And on top of that, bro, my best deals came from direct mail. You know, so I just have to also double down on that. I'm doubling down on cold calling, and I'm doubling down on SMS, and I'm doubling down on direct mail, because those are where I get the biggest deals. But the only thing about those channels is sometimes it can take a little bit longer for you to see results from the expenditure. So it might take 90 days for you to see results from that direct mail piece, right? You know, because you don't know, you can't control what type of lead reaches out to you, and that's the only issue. It's a great piece because, especially in the land space, you get a direct mail campaign running, you're gonna get a hot lead. Like my last coaching student, he did direct mail, and he got 2 deals under contract the first month. Like, it's just like that. So you're able to actually, you know, get results still, but you might also, it might, because you don't control who calls you at what time. So they might call you and you have to pick up the phone. Obviously you gotta have like a receptionist available, but when they call you, they're ready to go. That's the beautiful part about it. They're already warm. They already feel like you're a genuine company, you know, or even if you're an individual, you know, they'll still trust you because the aspect of you spending the money to mail them is like a thing on its own. Like, it creates, obviously, that you're serious about your business, because nobody just spends money, you know. Well, some people do, but I mean, obviously you got to be competent too. So that's the other aspect of it. But yeah, man, I mean, it's a great day. Beautiful scenery out tonight. It's a little hot, you know, but it's Houston, so I can't complain. About to go enjoy some money, bro. Let's go. By the way, if you are interested in getting coaching from me one-on-one and getting results like my last student did, schedule a call with me, man. Let's talk and let's see if we're gonna be a good fit, because we might not, but I want to work with somebody that is actually willing to take action, okay, and that has the discipline of the 90 days and waiting for results, all right? Because I'm not, you know, this is great and all, like, you know, I'm living a beautiful lifestyle, but like, for you have to be disciplined to also wait 90 days. It might not take you 30 days. It might not take the full 90 days, but you got to be willing to commit to at least that time period to really maximize the results that you are going to get. So if you're interested and you're serious and you're ready to go ahead and schedule a call with me. Otherwise, man, please like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and comment down below, what is the revenue goal that you're aiming for this year? Let me know down in the comments, man. I'm aiming for 300K. I am only at so far this year, I'm at 125, so I have a long way to go. I have a long way to go. So the next couple months, I have to pound it. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.